Hey friends! Quality car dash cam memory cards ensure continuous video recording, secure evidence, reliable storage, and perfectly smooth video playback. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car dash cam memory cards in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Suntrusy Portable Memory Card. This highly practical 4-in-1 SD card reader is an absolute lifesaver for users who frequently transfer files across multiple devices. Equipped with standard USB, USB-C, micro USB, and dedicated SD and micro SD slots, it offers incredible versatility in a compact footprint. A major standout feature is its integrated charging port for iPhones and iPads, which lets you power your device while simultaneously backing up heavy video files from your dash cam. It supports high-speed, real-time two-way data transmission to save you valuable time. With seamless compatibility for iOS, OTG-enabled Android devices, and PCs, it can handle memory sizes up to 512 GB without breaking a sweat. Slim, lightweight, and complete with a handy keychain loop, it's the perfect travel companion to keep your footage easily accessible on the go. Next up, our second product, the Wacom 128GB high-speed memory card. This Memory Stick Pro HG Duo is a highly dependable storage solution tailored for users who need consistent performance, particularly for PSP consoles and compatible legacy digital cameras. Powered by advanced Pro Duo HX technology, it delivers rapid data transfer rates that are essential for continuous photo shooting and seamless high-quality video capture without frustrating lag. The generous 128GB capacity gives you plenty of room to store vast libraries of games, dash cam footage, and precious memories, drastically reducing how often you need to offload files. Its exceptional stability makes it a fantastic, practical choice for both daily casual use and intensive, extended recording sessions. Plus, the brand provides dedicated, responsive customer support, ensuring you have peace of mind alongside solid storage performance. Coming in at number 3, the Amazon Basics SDXC Memory Card. This high-performance micro SD is a powerhouse that delivers exceptional speed and reliability for both everyday drivers and professionals. With blistering read speeds of up to 100 MB per second and write speeds up to 90 MB per second, it effortlessly handles continuous 4K and full HD video recording, making it perfect for high-resolution cameras. Sporting UHSI, U3, Class 10, and A2 ratings, it ensures snappy app loading and smooth playback across smartphones, drones, GoPros, and laptops. Built to survive the harsh environment of a vehicle cabin, it boasts impressive durability. It's IPX6 waterproof, shockproof, magnetic-proof, X-ray-proof, and can withstand extreme temperatures from -10°C to 80°C. If you need incredibly fast transfer speeds and long-lasting resilience in a tiny, budget-friendly package, this option is hard to beat. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Technostone 128GB Micro SDXC Memory Card. Part of their highly regarded Basic series, this micro SD delivers remarkably reliable performance at a highly accessible price point. Utilizing UHSI technology, it boasts read speeds of up to 90 MB per second, making it perfectly optimized for continuous 1080p Full HD video recording. Thanks to its A1 rating, you'll also experience smooth, lag-free app performance when paired with mobile devices. Its broad compatibility is a massive strength. It works flawlessly with security cameras, drones, tablets, and even Nintendo Switch consoles, plus it includes a convenient SD adapter for easy laptop transfers. Engineered for tough conditions, your essential data is protected against water, extreme temperatures, sudden shocks, magnets, and airport X-rays. Available in multiple capacities, it's an efficient everyday workhorse for your essential files. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Reader Adapter Memory Cards. This 6-in-1 dual-port card reader is an incredibly practical tool for drivers and content creators who constantly shuffle footage between devices. Featuring both USB-C and USB-A connectors, it interfaces seamlessly with modern laptops, tablets, and newer smartphones like the iPhone 15 series, completely removing the headache of carrying multiple adapters. It features true plug-and-play functionality, no extra software, drivers, or Wi-Fi needed to instantly access your files. A major advantage is its ability to read and write SD and micro SD cards simultaneously, drastically speeding up your workflow when managing large video files. Complete with protective dust-proof caps and a compact, credit card-sized profile that even stores multiple cards internally, it's a durable, must-have companion for on-the-go data management. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.